Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to share the Google Drive link on WhatsApp. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, go to the Google Drive app, or go to www.drive.google.com if you do not have app in your phone. Then select the file you want to share with others. Open the file or photo, then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now select Manage Access. You can see it is restricted. Change the settings to Allow anyone with the link can view the file. Now simply copy the link by tapping on the icon at the top of the screen. After copying the link, exit the app. Now go to WhatASPP. Open the chat B to which you want to share link. Paste the copied link. After this, tap on the paper plane icon. That's how you can share the Drive the link on WhatsApp. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.